and welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to nudge on WeChat. WeChat has this fun feature of nudging or tickling a contact. If you want to get someone's attention or have a conversation with them but you are tired of typing, then you can use the nudge function. Let me show you how you can do that. Before moving forward, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll be instantly notified as soon as we post a new video. Start by going to your WeChat application from your app list, and once you're in, from the chat screen, tap on the contact you want to nudge or tickle. From the chat screen, tap on Contacts and select one of your contacts in order to nudge in WeChat. Once you tap open the contact, tap on Send Message and simply double tap the person's icon in the chat, and just like that they will receive a little nudge. This is especially handy if you want to notify a certain person in a group chat or a personal chat. Once you nudge the person by double tapping their profile, this virtually shakes user's profile photo and sends a vibration notification. That is how you can nudge someone on WeChat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.